Almost every ingredient in here is food grade, but not the clay. Clay is not breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but it does draw out and absorb toxins and sweat. Here's the sciencey part. The sugar is water soluble, which means that when it comes into contact with water, it dissolves, i.e. doesn't work. So you have to keep the skin dry, dry, dry. You'll see in the sugar application video that I apply and reapply the detox dust throughout the process. The powder absorbs toxins and sweat that rise to the surface of the skin and allows for the sugar to fully adhere to hair and dead skin without interruption. Notice the recyclable paper shaker? You open it like so. Now shake, shake, shake onto the clean arm and distribute. I prefer to use my hand. It looks just like a brush. Smooth it over. Or if you really want to get fancy or just don't want to get powder on your hands, which you will momentarily be dunking into your jar of goop, you can use a brush. The face has more curves and angles, so here's how I like to detox dust my face. Use the lid of the environmentally friendly shaker and a clean makeup brush. While you're at it, put on some music and get groovy.